Okay, so you're on Fiverr and you're doing well and you're getting lots of great reviews, and then you hit that one buyer that just, it isn't quite working. It finally has happened to me. And guys, I have like a 99 point, I don't know, 2% of doing everything right. The reason that I had a return, like somebody canceled their order, pardon me, is because it was an unboxing to Canada and they didn't realize I lived in Canada and couldn't ship to me. So that was my first canceled order, but now I've had my second one and it's a real one that we both mutually canceled. So it does happen. Don't stress. So first of all, I've learned some things about myself because I'm newer going through this journey as well. But I've learned that I shouldn't unbox a product that I'm not enthusiastic about, that maybe I'm even concerned about. So I accepted a nebulizer, which is a breathing inhaling device that people use to clear their, when they're sick and things like that, or if they have asthma. That's probably not something, because I didn't really want to breathe in any kind of vapors. So I was struggling to do it, and I knew it as soon as I got it. I was like, I probably shouldn't have taken this. So going forward, I will only unbox products that I can be excited about. So this particular buyer, they said they didn't like the quality of my video and the lighting, which, well, I use the same camera and the same lighting for everyone. So I think that was just one of their reasons. But I think they were a little bit right, and they said I wasn't enthusiastic. So I think they were right, and I think that actually was my fault. However, I totally would have redone the video for them, but they also live in a different country, and I guess had sent me wanting revisions, and they sent it somewhere between 11:15 p.m. and 6:15 a.m. my time. So I didn't even have a chance to respond. So that made it slightly frustrating, and I started to realize right away that I'm not sure I actually want to work with them any further, because I felt that I felt they weren't even giving it a chance to do a revision. Because you know what? Part of Fiverr is doing revisions, because you can have the nicest buyer and you can be the hardest worker, but you still can miss the mark sometimes just because your communication isn't completely perfect. And that's okay. That's normal life. So I did reach out. Because I'm in the Fiverr Plus program, I did reach out to my advisor or whatever, and he took a look at it as well and kind of, yeah, like I would go ahead and cancel it. And I was a little bit worried about whether that would give me a bad review, and they can't give a review, I can't even speak this morning, if they cancel the order. So that was actually good. And he said, as long as you're above 95%, you're fine. And I'm at 99%. Maybe this one will drop me to 98 now, which is still fine. So do not be afraid. It is your business. And if it's not quite the right thing, it's okay to let it go. Do not be the person, and I think I was a little bit like that, just because it was a bit of a newer venture, the unboxing video. So I was accepting everything. So going forward, I will really think about it and make sure it's right. But don't be afraid if you need to cancel an order. Okay, have a great day, guys.